welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I apologize for the air conditioner sound. I'm outside at my new house on my back porch. Anyway, I thought I would film out here right now. And today I have a Young Living unboxing for you. As you know, I've been doing the Reclaim Your Life challenge put on by one of my upline leaders, and so it's pretty much all supplements this month. And I've just been feeling a lot more energy and really enjoying just the change in my overall health. So first, this is a supplement for my kids. These are the probiotics and prebiotics, the Mighty Pro. My kids love this. This month, as one of the freebies, I got a hand purifier, or also known as a hand sanitizer from Young Living. This is Thieves. It's flavored, scented with Thieves essential oil and peppermint. I love this. It does not dry out your hands because it has aloe in it. Also coming with it is this package of little woodland creatures. The bottle fits inside one of these. Obviously, I would have to buy more if I want to use all three at the same time. Anyway, I thought this was kind of cute. Obviously not a necessity, but kind of nice. I do think I will use one of these on my purse because I like the idea of being able to use my hand sanitizer without actually unzipping my purse, if that makes sense. Like, I've thought about, my hands are really gross. I don't want to be touching inside my purse. The next thing I got was mineral essence. Anyway, this is a liquid concoction of minerals, including magnesium, which is super important for overall health. Anyway, I take this every day. I'm definitely not going to stop taking this. I really notice a difference. I got multigreens. This is another supplement that I take every single day. It's full of green goodness. I got 2 things of sulfurzyme. These are the capsules. I've gotten those once before last year and used them. Anyway, the challenge for next month is to take sulfurzyme. And I also got the powder. Now the powder's a little bit different. It's sweetened with stevia, so you can mix it with your drink. It does not have the rice flour and the silica that the capsules have. I wanted more of the powder, but I believe that the limit was on 1, and so I ended up getting 1 of each. So I will be doing, probably taking both of them. I'll probably be divvying up my dosage and taking powder and capsule at different times of the day. I got the Super C chewables. This was a freebie this month. Anyway, this is not just vitamin C, but it also has citrus bioflavonoids in here. It has rose hips, camu camu, and acerola, I think is how it's pronounced. Anyway, fruit extract. So I'm interested in trying these and seeing how they taste, and I figured that this would be a really good C for my kids. I got Super B. I love Super B. It really helps give me energy levels and supporting the cardiovascular health as well. It's also super important for women to get their B vitamins, especially pre-conception and pregnancy. Okay, so here's some oils. I didn't actually order these oils, so these came free. One is the Kid Sense Tummy Jies. Young Living has a already diluted kid line. So this one is diluted. The Tummy Jies is a blend with, let me look this up, spearmint, peppermint, tangerine, anise, fennel. That sounds really good. I thought it was gonna be kind of like Digice, but for kids, but no, this is different. So I'm excited to try this for my kids. I'm like, this probably smells really yummy. Oh yeah, it does. I think it smells so much better than Digize. Anyway, it's a really good one for tummies. I got a little bottle of Citrus Fresh. I really like this oil. I like diffusing it. And I got a bottle of lemon, which is awesome because lemon is good for all sorts of things. So it's helpful for cleaning, especially like gunky labels off of bottles. And I also like Vitality lemon in my water, and I had some Vitality, but I needed regular lemon. I got the Thieves Roll-On. This is another thing that I have never gotten from Young Living, is one of their roll-ons. So this is actually the cool like container tube, and here is the pretty roll-on. This is awesome. This holds 10 milliliters of Thieves. Anyway, it says you can just apply on wrists, back of neck, or shoulders. I love Thieves, and having in a roll-on is really awesome. Look how pretty that cap is. Anyway, focus. Yeah, I was pretty excited about this. So definitely a nice thing to get for free. And lastly, I got MindWise, which is perfect because the timing of my order is perfect. I'll take the last bit of my last bottle tomorrow morning, and this morning I took the last of my multigrain. So this is great for brain health, supporting memory and cognition. So I love it. It tastes good. It even has chocolate in here, I think, right? I'm like, wait a moment, maybe it doesn't have chocolate. Maybe do you know what? I'm combining this with something else. I thought it had chocolate. Maybe it doesn't. It has all these fruits in here that taste very rich, kind of like chocolate. It's the Ningxia Nitro that has chocolate in it. That is my order from Young Living. Stay tuned for next month for my next Young Living order. And I'm kind of behind on videos, I know, and that's just because of moving and settling in, and I still haven't unpacked everything yet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.